Hi folks, Chris in Arena Studio with another quick lesson for you. If you're looking to be able to play the A harmonic or any harmonic minor scale and you're unsure what chord to play the scale over, then this is the video for you. Thanks for sticking around. So before we crack on with this lesson, is there any chance you could give the channel a subscribe and give that bell for me, and then you can get all the notifications of any new videos as and when I post them for you. Today we are looking at this. We're going to take the A harmonic minor scale. So because I get asked a lot about this scale with the mysterious, mystique sound that it has, and then the big question is, well, what chords can I play this over? Well, I'm going to give you a little quick hack today, which is going to show you how to apply this just over a chord. And it works brilliantly, and it's a really simple thing. You don't have to understand music theory, notes in the keys, or anything like that. It's just going to be a really simple process to get this across to you. So first of all, the A harmonic minor scale. If you're familiar with the A natural minor scale, which is just the notes of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. The A natural minor scale, 1 octave. That's all we're going to work on. I'm going to keep it really simple, this. If we sharpen the 7th note, we get A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A. So that gives us this really sort of mysterious Egyptian-y kind of sound, which is really very useful and adds a real kick of flavour when you're improvising over things. And most of us, we fall into the trap of maybe modal playing or pentatonic minor, major pentatonics, all this type of stuff, and then a few licks and riffs in between and connecting all the dots, as they say. What this does is it gives you another little bit of a flavour. Now, you can play this A harmonic scale over literally just the A minor chord. Which is great, but in a way I feel as though it's a little bit wasted when you've got all your other bits and bobs that you can wheel away with. So utilising this, I look at the chord progressions that I'm working over, and I'm just going to show you how I would apply this with a quick and easy way to add that flavour over one chord. So we just count A, B, C, D, E. So if we take an E and make that a major chord or a dominant 7th chord, an E7, what we're looking for is this note, this G sharp. That's the one that gives it the flavour. Now if we look at an E major chord or a dominant 7, you know, an E7 chord, got that G sharp in it, so you can then play that scale over the E7 chord, so it would sound like this. And then in relation to the A minor, so for me, I would just pick the chord and do that accordingly. Obviously, I'm not talking about the sharps and flats in the notes. I'm just trying to keep this really simple so that you can just go A, B, C, D, E major, or A, B, C, D, E7 will do for that A harmonic minor. So let's look at this on another one. If we wanted to play the G harmonic minor scale. So we're looking for that F sharp. Well, again, if we go G, A, B, C, D major or D7 has an F sharp in it. So it's a really simple way, and then you can just apply that to wherever you want to play that scale, you know. So in a nutshell, that's a really quick and easy hack for you to experiment with this. So what you could do is just record a little E7 part, just practice it over one octave first and then apply it across all 6 strings and then start to move things around a little bit. And then you'll start to probably target the A harmonic or the harmonic minor form over certain dominant chords that you're playing in your chord progressions. You know, depending on which key you're going to be playing in. So it's a great little idea that, and it's dead easy. You just literally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, major it or make it a dominant 7th and you're off and running. Okay? So I'll see you next time. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up and a like and a comment and all that type of stuff. You know what we all do now, don't you, on YouTube? It's great, and I love the little community that we're creating in the studio with the YouTube videos as well, and lots of comments and bits and bobs coming in. And don't forget to check out the live streams every Wednesday, 5:30 p.m. GMT time, and I also drop a video every single Friday morning at 8:30 p.m. for you. 8:30 a.m. GMT time. So I don't know what day it is or what time it is really, do I? But for me, Chris, thanks for watching. Hope this has been some help to you, and like I say, it's great to hear from you all with any comments and thumbs up and ideas that you've got, and I'll speak to you and see you all in the not too distant future. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.